ha med det här i vloggen.
Vad skulle jag inte ha med?
Det här. Ta inte med det så. Ja.
Halloj!
Tjena!
Hur är det med dig?
Bra!
Tja!
Det som är grej.
Oh jäklar! Han frågar inte farten. So we are at Max Fredriksson's compound. Him and his crew has done an insane job here. Like they built some new features, and yeah, everything is looking super dialed. Yeah, there's gonna be a jam session here today, and yeah, there's gonna be some prizes for the younger generation, I guess. Yeah, we did a couple of laps in a pump track to warm up with, and now we're riding the smaller line. And soon we're gonna head up to the bigger jumps and also head up to the bigger new feature they built. So yeah, stoked for that, and yeah, stoked to be here. Yo! Yeah! Yo! Ja, grymt grabbar!
Tack!
Vad bra! Bra flips hörni! Bra flip! Okay, Victor, should we do some bigger jumps?
Yes.
Jag spelar in folk
Yes.
som kör det här.
Jaha, jag trodde du bara ville filma mig.
Ride some bigger jumps now.
Yes, that's the plan.
Did you get something in your mouth? Or?
Yeah, mango.
Mango?
Yeah, they're everywhere.
That's good.
Save them for later.
Yeah. Tack. Wow. Okay. Following Max. What a sick jam you're hosting here.
Basically, we're just gonna have fun and ride bikes and eat hamburgers.
Looks so
That's
good.
what we're doing.
So stoked to be here.
Yeah.
Wow. Han är bra vibes alltså.
Påslaget är ju brutalt alltså.
Vad sa du?
Adrenalinpåslaget blir ju brutalt.
Ja, det blir ju det.
Jag hoppar för långt första så här.
Åh nej.
Och jag bara, fuck!
Den är rolig den här alltså.
Ja, den var skön.
Wow!
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck.
Yes!
9 out of 10, run through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me.
Åh, shit, det var fan läskigt alltså. Men det... So stoked. First time ever landing that trick. I mean, I've been trying it for a while, but yeah, so stoked. Like, yeah, insane. I think I'm gonna head up for the bigger jump now. The new part, the step down and also the big jump. And yeah, I don't know what's up there, but I see that some people are really throwing down. So yeah, I'm gonna go up there. Well-deserved food break.
Yes, we are fueling the dream.
Yeah, fueling the dream with Max Fredriksson, Max Burgers.
Max Burgers.
So good.
Yep.
There is a best or hardest crash nomination. I think we're gonna go for that, Victor.
What?
The hardest crash nomination.
Hopefully not.
You never know, right?
I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down that check.
Yo, jag trodde du skulle ha no-hand där. Så bara, shit vad nice.
Det är bra nog för dem.
First dive, stretch, tell them run it off. I wake up, flex, thumb down that check.
Ja, du ser helt galen ut i den här setupen alltså.
Ja, jag är galen.
Drip this, tell them run it off. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first dive, stretch, tell them run it off. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. That's with the devil, used to love playing.
Hallå, eller?
Får du ont i rumpan av att sitta sådär eller?
Nej, jag sitter så här.
Yo! Wow! Yeah! Oh!
I'm a globetrotter. You and I pick your nine, 하지마 우리 너무 달라. We just different, I don't bother. 여자나 집이나 세차 나가신다 너무 빨라. I'm a
Den var chill i alla fall.
Den var chill. Ja, Birre. Wow. Yo!
Alltså hans front i game är on toppen.
Front i trippel. Wow! En vanlig. Yeah! Nice!
Vad bjuds det då?
Jag är sugen på trullebirre. Jag har inte gjort det på länge dock, men...
Vad fan gör det?
So we're finally riding the big jumps. I haven't hit it in the whole day, so just did a couple of laps getting used to it. Yo, and people are, sending stuff. Yeah! Fy fan vad fett alltså. Fan vad grymt. Yeah, åh! Det är lugnt.
Han fixar banken.
Gick det bra?
You and I pick your nine, 하지마 우리 너무 달라. We just different, I don't bother. 여자나 집이나 세차 나가신다 너무 빨라. I'm a globetrotter. You and I pick your nine, 하지마 우리 너무 달라. We just different, I don't bother. 여자나 집이나 세차 나가신다 너무 빨라. I'm a globetrotter. 지금부터 시작이야. 한턱에 머니 콜. 내게 이름이야. 한턱에 머니 맨들 moves. I've been getting it.
Erik. Fett nice. Fett nice. Jag ser inte i kameran vart det är. Så jävla bra. En ny. Oj. Ja, det är lugnt. Jag tappar pedalen. Det är lugnt. Jag tappar pedalen efter whipbaren. Okay. Ja, alltså jag känner ingenting.